Once again, guys, I have a special guest with me. You've seen her before on my previous video. We have Kilo. Kilo?
Oh.
Kilo. We decided to do something different, something dramatic, something out of our comfort zone. Personally, I've never done this drag makeup. Is it drag queen or drag makeup?
Drag queen makeup.
But I gotta say, guys, I have to give it the props to these drag queens. It takes so much time, so much patience, which I don't think I would do it again because it took us almost like 3-4 hours to get this look done. So
we failed.
if you want to continue watching to see how bad we failed with this, keep watching. So we're back, guys. I don't know, I think I put a lot of foundation. Did I?
No, you're very natural.
Bitch. It's literally, it's taking us, what, about 45 minutes to do the
eyebrows.
So
alone, and then they still don't look perfect. So gotta give it up to everybody who knows how to do these eyebrows and cover them. The problem is not doing it. I'm gonna tell you what the problem is gonna be. Removing this shit.
That's the problem? Wait, I did like 5 plastotas de concealer. So far, guys, this is my first eyebrow. Problem is gonna be trying to match this side to the other side, no? I'm finally done with my eyebrows, guys. I think I went a little bit off. Just a little bit. What do you think? No? But this is what drag is all about, no? Exaggeration?
Exaggeration.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna go with the eyeshadow to make the look.
I'm gonna do bright colors.
We can do pink colors, pink and purple with black eyeliner.
And for that, guys, we're gonna be using Mani Moi Lives the Drag, which I think it's a perfect palette for this kind of look, right?
Yeah.
And we're also doing the Morphe.
We're gonna share the
15S. And this one, that's the one.
Let's get the party started.
We just have to be careful because we have so much concealer, foundation.
I don't wanna laugh or move my eyebrows because I'm scared it's gonna crack and then.
I think I did an amazing job on these eyebrows. Now, guys, this is how I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay. Cheers for what? For the attempt?
Yes. Cheers for the attempt of this video.
Of these fucking eyebrows.
True that. I can't wait to taste it. My mouth is watering.
It's an appletini, guys. Okay, so now eyeshadow.
With that palette, I'm gonna go with the purple that's called Patrick Queen. And I'm gonna make that my crease. Huh?
For Mani Moi?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do blue. Let me see. Ooh. It's actually covering your nose.
Not really, but I mean, I know.
Hey, I'm giving you support here.
I
mean, just go slow. Fuck, I'm scared now. Oh shit. Would you go like that to work? Girl?
No.
Why not? It looks so natural. I gotta say, my respects to those that do this, to drag, because honestly, guys, this is so So hard.
Beyond hard.
Being that this is our first time doing drag makeup, I think we're getting down. No?
I don't know.
You just look fabulous, girl.
I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do.
Chills.
So we are wrapping it up.
We're not even wrapping it up, but
Well, we're not, but we're in the process. I'm doing another cut crease to see how everything's gonna turn out.
I'm gonna add some white.
I mean, like, it's our first attempt, so we have to work with it, and we have to. And right now, it looks like shit, but we have to work at it.
So I'm using Tarte foundation to do my half cut crease. We're like 3 hours now doing, no, 2 hours doing this, and I don't see no ending.
And I don't see no good results coming out of it. Just make myself a little deer or something. Seems all failed.
And no, it's not Halloween. Precious. Precious looks fabulous. Look at my eyes, guys. What do you all think?
So sweet, loves. As you can tell, our challenge failed. And let it go. Look at the faces, look at the faces. I'm putting white on my lower lashes. Like that. And more freckles while I'm at it because they just look so cute. I can't get over them. Oh fuck, I fucked over here. One too many. But I mean, I just think it looks super cute. Whatever it may be that I am, it just looks super cute.
Yeah, it's coming nice.
Fancy.
So what are we calling this? Drag makeup, fantasy makeup, Halloween makeup?
Makeup that went wrong, so we just started going at it because we were already deep into it. So now we're gonna do lipstick.
No, now we're gonna contour. No?
I'm not gonna contour because I have white freckles, so I can't contour.
Let me contour really fast. Just like that, right? Let's see.
Contour as I.
I put so much foundation that look at my. Tengo plastotas de foundation. Chale, mana.
Manta.
Manta.
Manta, que nos hicimos, Manta. I use some of this pigment, which is freaking amazing. Joe. Could you hear that beat?
What beat? Me punching myself. I think I'm gonna put a lot of blush.
You blush it, girl. You blush it. So I ended up being a Halloween costume. That's what I ended up with.
So for highlighting, guys, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And these are the 6 shades. I'm gonna be using Sunshine. This was a disaster. But you look fabulous.
Oh, darling, thanks. I knew that.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be using unicorn because I'm a unicorn today. If all fails, turn yourself into a unicorn. Look at my nose. That's still cute. Don't even hate. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater on my fabulous unicorn look. You know what? The whole time I was trying to do this unicorn look, I was just pretending I was gonna do that.
Well, your unicorn came out fabulous.
Yeah, thanks. How do the unicorns do it? So I'm gonna be doing a lipstick. Melted Too Faced. It's happening, people. We failed. Yes, we did. It just happened. Sure.
We failed? Like you and me? You doing that one?
Yeah. Didn't I just say that?
Okay, and I'm using Too Faced, the metallic matte. This is metallic. Now that looks dope.
It's supposed to be out there. Hater number one.
What do you think about mine?
Let me see here.
Too metallic?
No, I love it. I love this. I'm gonna marry it.
I have to say, guys, I think we nailed it, no?
Sure.
I mean, the Halloween part.
I love myself if I stay like this forever. Look at me in the monitor. I'm gonna put some of this on your cheek. Oh, I love that lipstick. Oh, I love this. I love it.
Chingo, no?
He put it in his box because it's in his lipstick. What did you? Are you swallowing again? What did I tell you about that?
We are finally done. This is our final look, guys. Our supposedly drag makeup / Halloween.
Whatever we are something. We failed at it so bad that we just started going at it and we just started getting
She even did white freckles.
pencil happy and we did the whole night.
Did drag queens wear white freckles?
No. But we did something. So
We had fun, guys. Thank you so much, guys, again for watching. If you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. Give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Let us know what you think. If we nailed it, we did good. If you haven't subscribed to my social media pages, guys, I am at Joaquin MUA on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Twitter, and Joaquin1125 on Snapchat. And also follow my friend at
soul_makeup or go to my personal account, which is kilo_soul21.
Thank you again, guys. See you next time.